Mastering Drone Imports from Asia. Welcome back to our series on international trade and customs brokerage. In today's episode, we will be exploring the process of importing drones and remote-controlled devices from Asia. As these products continue to grow in popularity, understanding the customs requirements and regulations becomes crucial for businesses and individuals alike. So, let's dive right in. One of the first things to consider when importing drones and remote-controlled devices is the need for a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures you will comply with all customs regulations and be responsible for any duties, taxes, or penalties that may be incurred during the importation process. It acts as a form of insurance for customs authorities and is required by law for most imports into the United States. To obtain a customs bond, you can work with a licensed customs broker who will assist you in getting the necessary paperwork in order. The bond amount is typically based on the value of the goods being imported and can either be a single entry bond for a specific shipment or a continuous bond that covers multiple shipments over a set period of time. Another crucial step in importing drones and remote-controlled devices is filing an Importer Security Filing, ISF. The ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, requires importers or their agents to submit detailed information about the shipment to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, electronically. This information must be filed at least 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto a vessel bound for the United States. The ISF includes essential data such as seller information, buyer information, container stuffing location, and a detailed description of the goods being imported. This filing is crucial for CBP to assess potential risks associated with the cargo and ensure the safety and security of the supply chain. Once the customs bond is in place and the ISF has been filed, it's time to move on to the actual importation process. At this stage, your customs broker will work closely with you to handle the necessary documentation, such as the commercial invoice, bill of lading, and packing list. These documents provide crucial information about the shipment, its value, and its contents. Additionally, it is important to note that drones and remote-controlled devices may be subject to specific regulations and restrictions based on the end use and components they contain. It is essential to research and understand any licensing or permits that may be required by agencies such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, or the Bureau of Industry and Security, BIS. Your customs broker can guide you through these requirements to ensure compliance. As your shipment arrives at the port of entry, customs officials will review the documentation and conduct inspections to verify the accuracy of the information provided. Depending on the specifics of your shipment, it may be subject to additional scrutiny, such as physical examinations or X-ray scans. It is important to be prepared for these possibilities to avoid delays or potential penalties. In conclusion, importing drones and remote-controlled devices from Asia requires careful attention to detail and compliance with customs regulations. By working with a licensed customs broker and understanding the customs bond and ISF requirements, you can navigate the process smoothly and ensure a successful importation. Remember to stay informed about any specific regulations or permits related to your product and work closely with your customs broker to address any concerns. Thank you for watching today's episode on importing drones and remote-controlled devices from Asia. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more episodes where we explore various aspects of international trade and customs brokerage. Disclaimer note below. Until next time.